Morning guys, and welcome back to the weekly vlog. My name is Danny. If you're not subscribed already, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Where to begin? I've just dropped Rocky at the groomers. I always forget how long it takes for him to have a groom. They're like, we'll see you in 2 hours. I was like, oh yeah, you will. I'm breaking out so badly at the moment. I've got no idea why, which is not ideal when I'm going away next week. And I've got so many painful under the skin spots. So I need to do some face masking, some steaming, probably a little bit of extracting, to be honest, just to kind of hurry these along because, oh, the pain is too much. Cat-ish together because it's gonna be a week. Hiya loves, I'm back. Right, so please excuse my appearance. I've got the Rosen Clearing Concentrate on, zinc oxide, niacinamide based product to help clear up these mother effing breakouts. So I'm putting my laundry away because I have been doing avoidance all day and I need to pack my bag for tomorrow. We have a very busy day in the city tomorrow. I'm going to an event tomorrow to meet Sabrina Elba. I'm so excited. You guys know I really enjoy the Sable Labs products, so I'm super excited to meet her tomorrow. Then I'm going to go to the gym and then I need to text my friend 'cause I'm meant to be seeing her after. There's just a few little bits and bobs going on, so I'm going to pick my outfit now, pack my gym bag, and just try and get my ish together, you know, trying to take the rest of the week on with an organized mindset. My teeth are so incredibly sensitive right now because of my teeth whitening for my Invisalign. I feel like I'm talking like a weirdo. That's another reason why I don't want to go out today, because just talking is like painful, which I know sounds ridiculous, but that's how it is right now. But I'm pushing through. So I really want them to lift in colour before I go back to my dentist next month. So I'm doing all I can to get there. Right, I will catch up with you guys tomorrow. Have a lovely evening and I'll see you then. Oh my goodness, guys, this was such an incredible experience. Sabrina Elba is such a beautiful person, and hearing her passion and her methodology and philosophy behind Sable Labs, I mean, I've been using the products for a long time since they released them and I absolutely love them. And it's so annoying and sad that they got lumped in this whole celebrity skincare category, because you can tell that this brand is not that. Cannot wait for you guys to shop the products. They'll be available on Space NK from the 30th of May. Just had a wonderful time with her. After we left Sabrina, myself, Ola and Michaela went to Brown's to do some shopping. I've talked about this on my vlog over on TikTok. This is an embarrassment. This whole beauty cupboard is just atrocious. Anyway, me and Michaela went to do some extra shopping after this. We went hard. We hit the shops hard. Anyway, we finished off in Salad Project. Then we headed to the gym. And yeah, I'll show you what else we got up to. Good day. Another day, another parcel. This one from my Teresa. Let's see what's inside. So this is actually a repurchase of something I picked up last week, which I didn't even bother showing you guys because I looked like I was wearing my uncle's jacket. It was insane. So I reordered it from my Teresa because they actually had my size in stock. This is a Frankie Shop blazer and I got it in the extra small. It's a very oversized black blazer. It doesn't look like much, but on, it'll be giving the world. Good morning guys, so I've just got here to Shoreditch. They so kindly sent a car over and I'm heading in now into the 100 Shoreditch Hotel. We're doing like a puppy yoga thing with Essie this morning, which I'm really excited about. I have no idea what else is happening, but there's quite a lot of things today. So we're gonna go to the Essie puppy yoga, then I'm gonna head to the gym, Then we're gonna go and get our brows and lashes laminated, lifted, all that malarkey before my holiday next week. Then we've got an afternoon tea with Neal's yard at Dalloway Terrace, and then I'm seeing a dermatologist. So it's quite a busy day, but let's head into the hotel and see what they've got planned for us. Hey guys, I'm in the hotel now. The nicest team at this hotel. They're always so nice. Anyway, I'm wearing this H&M jacket. My Frankie shot one did come, but I haven't tried it on properly, so I'm wearing this one that I know, with a H&M workout top, leggings, a Lulu, Hoka trainers, and my new crayon bag. I'm so happy with this. Was so fun, so fun. I just popped into Astrid and Miu, I think that's how you pronounce it. So I just want some like nice dainty gold chains for my trip next week. So I picked those up, and I'm gonna head to the gym quickly, do a little bit of a workout before I head to, what's the word I'm looking for? Dalloway Terrace for lunch. But I'm also going to get my brows laminated as well. There's a lot going on today, but Essie was so much fun. Like a really good event, really well organised, just a nice little vibe. Anyway, I will catch up with you guys after. The one day I try not to be a bag lady. I had everything in this bag. Then I went to the Essie event and they gave us this bag with a yoga mat. So it's a failed attempt of trying not to be a bag lady, but it's okay. I'm on the way now to go and get my brows and lashes done. They need laminating so badly. And then afternoon tea, which I'm very excited about. So much better. I've just put my Charlotte Tilbury Beautiful Skin Concealer on because, I don't know, I feel like my foundation and skin tints are just like not the right shade right now, and I feel like this has just given much better little coverage. Look at the brows, look at the lashes. So happy. Anyway, now I'm rushing over to go to Dalloway Terrace. I've never been there before. I feel like it's kind of like a London-y, Instagram-y hotspot. I've never been. We've got an afternoon tea there with Neal's yard. So let's go and enjoy the lovely walk through the city there. I'll be honest guys, I was a little bit hesitant and not really sure what to expect because I've done afternoon tea in the past and I didn't find it to be very delicious or filling, but this one at Dalloway Terrace is a limited edition one with Neal's yard and it was so delicious. They also had really good options for me. I do have quite a few allergies and I love the fact that they still had amazing delicious food for me. I would highly recommend booking this with your girlfriends or with your partner, whoever. Just go and check it out. Guys, afternoon tea was so nice. I feel like I've used Neal's yard since I was literally a kid. My mom's obsessed with the brand. It was such an honour to meet the founders, learn more about the brand and about their commitment to the environment as well. It was just such a great event and really nice company as well. Now I'm on the way to see my dermatologist. I'm having a dermatologist appointment with La Roche-Posay this evening, which I'm really looking forward to. I feel like she's going to be like, your skin barrier is out of whack, which it most definitely is right now. I'm just in a taxi on the way there now because this time of the day, it's like 6:30, it's just mayhem. So pray for me that we get there and she's got time to still see me. I had to ditch the taxi. She was taking, well, it wasn't her. The traffic is too long and there's so many one-way systems. I'm like, I can just walk here quicker from here. So I'm still so late. I hope this derm can see me. I just hate being late so much. I made it. I am 10 minutes late, but I'm here. Hopefully she can still see me. This mole mapping appointment was a gift from La Roche-Posay, so let's see what happened.
So we get three things. So we get ultraviolet radiation, we get the visible light, which lets us see, and then we've got the infrared, which we feel as heat on our skin. So ultraviolet is divided into ultraviolet C, B and A. You don't have to worry about C because C essentially gets filtered by the ozone, so it doesn't reach us on the Earth, which is a good thing because it's quite a short, dangerous wavelength. B, as far as I'm concerned, which has got a slightly shorter wavelength, is more to do with sunburn, so that's going to cause you sunburn. And if you're talking about skin cancer, that's the one that's more implicated in skin cancer. And A, which people didn't think did very much, can also cause skin cancer, but it's got a really longer wavelength and goes deeper into the skin, damages your collagen, damages your elastin, causes pigmentation, so that's all to do with aging. So in a perfect world, you want to protect against B and A so that you prevent your skin cancer and also prevent aging. There's a little bit of evidence now that this visible spectrum, which if you split it up is like the colours of the rainbow, starts with blue on this side and then it goes all the way to red.
Okay, so this is the blue light filter thing we're hearing a lot about.
So the blue is also, there's a little bit of implication in pigmentation, and a lot of the sunscreens now go a little bit into that visible range to protect you. This is all a spectrum, so this starts from about 200 nanometers, which is the wavelength, all the way up to sort of 500, 600, 700. But UVA, this line that we're so interested in, is at 400 nanometers. So when they say, when they have the UV beam 400, it's because now we're getting really good blockage in the UVB all the way to UVA, all the way to 400, and then a tiny bit more as it drops off. So it gives you really good protection against UVA and even a little bit into the visible, which is good for aging.
Okay, and now I had to get naked and stand in this machine. It basically scans every single part of your body to see every single mole, and just kind of rates how dangerous they could potentially be. Then we did a close-up of a mole, which is on my hand, because obviously this is the most exposed to the sun. This was such an interesting appointment. Honestly, please, I'm urging you, even if you don't have Caucasian skin, take care of your moles. Mornings where everything that possibly could have gone wrong has gone wrong. Transport has been so bad. However, the transport's been awful because sadly someone died on their motorbike by me this morning. So I got on the bus to catch the tube, and the bus on a massive diversion, and then I later found out when I got into a taxi it's because someone passed away. I'm late for my meeting, but you know, you're just like, oh God, I'm just grateful to be alive at this point, and actually like making it through the city. But it's just sad, isn't it, when the day starts with such like awful news. But anyway, I'm on my way to the meeting now. You know, you just like have something like on your mind. I just can't stop thinking about that poor young man this morning. Very unfortunate way to finish life. Right, let's head to the meeting. I'm half an hour late and I need to leave this meeting in like 15 minutes because I've got another event straight after. But here we are. I'm wearing my new Frankie Shop blazer. I'm so happy with it. It's so cute. Right, let me get on Google Maps so I'm not any more later than I already am. Whew, I made it to the next event. Again, I'm dying for a wee. What's new? Let's go. This Shiseido event was so incredible. I feel like not enough people know how much innovation comes from this company, particularly in the skincare industry. They are pioneers and leading the way forward. Honestly, the rest of Thursday was a bit of a mental health write-off. So here's me on Friday, heading to my hairdressers. I am going away next week, as I've mentioned a million times. So I did get a weave put in, just some long inches with leave out on top, just to give me that mermaid kind of feel while I'm away next week. Shooting some swimwear. Then I did head to M&S, did a mini food shop to get some treats for us for the weekend, and some beautiful fresh flowers to just make like a really cute arrangement, because there's nothing like fresh flowers to just put a smile on your face. I just wanted to say a massive thank you to all of you who take the time to watch my vlogs, leave comments. I really appreciate it. YouTube is our hard slog, but we're getting there. I'm committed to keep posting content here, so please tell your friends, tell a friend to tell a friend. You'll be seeing videos from me consistently twice a week on this platform, and I am really enjoying building out different kinds of content for you guys. So please do let me know what you want to see. Can't wait to show you what I get up to on this trip next week, and I really hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you again for supporting my content always. None of this would be happening without you all. Take care, guys.